Hey everybody, Mark here. Today we're diving into the world of big screen TVs with the Hisense 75U6N. This 75-inch behemoth hit the market in 2024, promising an immersive viewing experience without the hefty price tag. For just $599.99, could this be the ultimate budget-friendly 4K TV? Let's find out. Remember those days when a giant TV would cost you an arm and a leg? Well, those days are gone, my friends. This TV is here to shake things up. Now, I know what you're thinking. Linus, that model number is a mouthful. And you're right, 75U6N doesn't exactly roll off the tongue, but trust me, this TV is more than just a jumble of numbers and letters. With a solid 4.6 out of 5 stars from 270 customer reviews, it's clear that this Hisense model is doing something right. People seem to really like this TV. But don't just take their word for it, let's dig into the details and see what makes this TV tick. Let's break down some of the jargon, shall we? This TV boasts a bunch of fancy features, but I'm going to explain them in a way that even your grandma can understand. First up, we've got mini LED backlighting. Think of it like having thousands of tiny flashlights behind the screen, giving you super precise brightness control. Then there's 4K UHD Resolution, which basically means you're getting 4 times the detail of your old 1080p TV. QLED technology enhances the colors, making everything look more vibrant and lifelike. And of course, you've got Google TV built in, giving you access to all your favorite streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Disney+. Okay, let's talk about the good stuff. The picture quality on this thing is seriously impressive for the price. Thanks to that mini LED backlighting, you're getting deep blacks, bright whites, and a level of contrast that puts some pricier TVs to shame. And let's not forget about the affordability factor. A 75-inch TV with these kinds of specs for under $600? That's unheard of. Plus, having Google TV on board means you don't need a separate streaming stick. It's all built in and super easy to use. Now, no TV is perfect, and the Hisense 75U6N does have a couple of minor drawbacks. The viewing angles aren't the widest, so if you're sitting way off to the side, the picture might look a little washed out. And while the built-in speakers are decent, they're not going to blow you away. If you're a serious audiophile, you might want to invest in a soundbar for a more immersive sound experience. Let's dive a bit deeper into Google TV, shall we? This ain't your grandpa's smart TV system. It's like having a powerful little computer built right into your TV. You can browse the web, download apps, play games, and control your smart home devices all with your remote. And the best part? Google TV curates content from all your favorite streaming services, so you don't have to jump between apps to find something to watch. It's all right there on your home screen. We've talked about it a bit already, but I really want to emphasize the value proposition here. A 75-inch TV for under $600 is practically unheard of, especially one with this many features. You're getting a massive screen size for the price of a much smaller TV just a few years ago. It's perfect for movie nights, gaming marathons, or just catching the big game with friends. So, who is this TV perfect for? I'd say it's ideal for budget-conscious buyers who want a big screen 4K TV without sacrificing too much on picture quality. It's great for casual viewers, gamers on a budget, and anyone who wants to upgrade to a larger screen size without breaking the bank. Overall, the Hisense 75U6N is a solid choice for anyone looking for a big screen TV at an affordable price. It might not have all the bells and whistles of a high-end model, but it delivers where it counts. Picture quality, features, and ease of use. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for a new TV and don't want to empty your wallet, the Hisense 75U6N is definitely worth checking out. If you're in the market for a new TV and don't want to empty your wallet, the Hisense 75U6N is definitely worth checking out. Until next time, this is Alex Carter, signing off.